Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Karon nga kagabion medyo bugnaw kayo diri sa kuang room. So parang giniginaw ko or napunugnawan ko. So moinong sa ko og kining paborito na kong red wine. This one. My favorite red wine. Thank you everyone. To all my friends, followers, and subscribers, continue to like and to share my video clips. Continue to subscribe my YouTube channel and to follow my Facebook Reels. God bless everyone.